Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna learn how to create this stunning seed beaded peacock feather earring at home. This design is based on St. Petersburg Stitch. This is a perfect project for beginners and experienced jewelry makers like you. This video will guide you through every step and inspiring you to create something truly magical. So get ready to dazzle with this breathtaking beaded peacock feather earring. If you like this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. So let's check the material list. So we need some green seed beads, golden seed beads, blue seed beads and black seed beads. All are size 11/0. And ear hooks and jump ring, beading needle number 10 and beading thread 0.20 mm. Now take approximately 190 cm long thread for the single earring and pick up 7 green seed beads size 11/0 and drop it down to the end of the thread. Now go back through all 7 seed beads over here and make a circle. Now at this point, tie a few secure knots over here. Now pass your needle through these next couple beads. Now cut off the extra tail thread. Now pick up 3 green seed beads and pass your needle through this previous one bead where your thread is coming out. Now I'm gonna make the right angle whip. Now step up through these next 2 beads. Now pick up 3 seed beads and pass through this previous one bead in the top. Now we need to step up through these next 2 beads. Basically this is a right angle whip, so we need to continue this stitch until you reach up to 10 stitch. So here it is. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now pick up 1 green, 1 golden and 1 green seed beads and go back through the previous one bead in the top. Then step up through these next 2 beads, 1 green and 1 golden. Now pick up 3 golden seed beads and go back through the previous one golden bead in the top. Now step up through these next 2 golden beads. Then pick up 3 blue seed beads and pass through the one golden bead in the top. Now I pick up 3 black seed beads size 11/0 and pass through this one blue seed bead in the top. Then step up through the next 2 beads. Again pick up 3 black seed beads and pass through this one black bead in the top. Then step up through the next 2 beads. Again pick up 3 black seed beads and pass through the one bead in the top. Now pick up 3 blue seed beads and pass through the one bead in the top and then step up through the next 2 beads. Then pick up 3 golden seed beads and pass through the one blue bead in the top and then step up through the next 2. Again pick up 3 golden seed beads and pass through the top golden one. Now pick up 3 green seed bead and pass through the top golden one. Again pick up 3 green seed bead and pass through the top green one. Again pick up 3 green seed bead and pass through the top green one. So here is the final look. Let's count. So skip the round one. So we have 11 green, 1 golden, 1 blue, 3 black, 1 blue, 2 golden and 3 green right angle stitch. Now you can take a screenshot like this. So this will be the middle row of the earring. Now I'm gonna work from bottom to top. Simply leave the first stitch and start from the second stitch. So we need to reach here from this way. So pass your needle through these next 3 green seed beads over here, because we need to keep your thread in the downward position. So that's why we need to follow this step. You can see your thread is in the downward position. Now pick up 2 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and then pass through the next 2 beads. One you just added and one in the existing row. So this is called St. Petersburg Stitch. Now pass through the next 2 green bead over here, because we need to do another side also. Now you can see my thread is in the downward position, so we need to do the same in this side also. So pick up 2 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and then pass through the next 2 beads. One you just added and one in the existing row. Now step up through the next 3 beads. 1 green, 1 golden and 1 green bead. Again you can see my thread is in the downward position, so pick up 4 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and pass through the next 3 and 1 existing bead in the row. So hope it's clear to you. Now pass through the next 2 beads, 1 golden and 1 green, because we need to do the same in this side also. Again I pick up 4 green seed beads. Skip the first one and pass through the next 4 green seed beads like the previous step. Now pass through the next golden bead. Now I'm gonna pass my needle through these next 3 golden beads, because we need to reach my thread in the downward position. So for this new row I pick up 1 golden and 5 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and pass through the next 4 green and 2 golden beads over here. Now pass through the next 2 golden beads and do the same step in other side also. You can see I have done it. I'm gonna work in the next row. You can see I reach in the next row. Now I pick up 4 golden seed beads and 4 green seed beads for this new row. Skip the first one and pass through the next 3 green and 5 golden bead, and then pass through the next 2 beads. You can see I have reached here. I'm doing the same in other side also. Now we need to reach to the next row through this way. Here I am. Now pick up 2 blue and 4 golden and 3 green seed beads. Skip the first one and pass through the next 2 green, 4 golden and 3 blue seed beads. So we need to do the same in other side also. We need to reach to the next row through this way. Here I reached. Now I pick up 1 black bead, 3 blue beads, 4 golden seed beads and 3 green seed beads for the new row. Now skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads over here. So we need to do the same in another side also. Here I have done this. So we need to reach to the next row. So I already reached here. I pick up 3 black, 2 blue, 4 golden and 3 green seed bead for the new row. Do the same. Skip the first one and pass through all the next beads over here like the previous step. We need to do the same in another side also. Here I have done. Now I'm gonna do in the next row. You can see here I have reached to the next row. So I pick up 5 black, 2 blue, 4 golden and 2 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads over here. So we need to do the same in another side also. I have done mine. I'm gonna make the next row. Now I pick up 2 blue, 3 black, 3 blue, 3 golden and 2 green seed beads. Again skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads. So in this way you need to do another side also. So I have done mine. Now I'm gonna make the next row. So for the new row I pick up 2 golden bead, 6 blue, 3 golden and 2 green seed beads. Now skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads. So we need to do the same in another side also. So here it is. Now I have to reach to the next one. So here I reached. Now I pick up 1 green, 10 golden and 3 green seed beads for the new row. Again skip the first one and pass through all the next bead. And do the same in another side too. So I have done this. Now I'm going to make the next row. So pick up 5 green, 6 golden and 3 green seed beads for the new row. Now skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads over here. So in this way you need to do another side also. So I have done this. So I pick up 14 green seed beads for the new row. Do the same process, skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads over here. Make the another side like this. So I have done this. Now I'm gonna make the next row. So for the next row I pick up 11 green seed beads. Skip the first one and pass through all the existing beads over here. Do the same in another side also. So I have done it. So for the new row I pick up 8 green seed beads and follow the previous step. Now you need to do the same in another side also. I have already done this. So for this new row I pick up 5 green seed beads and follow the previous step. You need to do the same in another side also. You can see I have done this. So for the next row I pick up 3 green seed beads and follow the previous step and make another side also. Now I pick up 2 green seed beads for this new row. Make another side like this. So for this new row we have to again pick up 2 green seed beads and do the same in the following step. In this way make another side also. Now pick up 1 green seed bead for this new row. Skip the one bead you just added and pass through the existing bead in the row. In the same way make another side also. So for the last row I pick up 1 green seed bead and follow the previous step. Skip the one bead and pass through the existing bead in the row. Make another side like this. So I have done all the rows. Now pass through the next couple beads in the circle. Now tie a few secure knots here and then cut off the extra tail thread. Now attach the jump ring and ear hooks and it's done. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you learned this technique well and I will see you in my next video. Till then take care. Bye.